Hello, my name is Jessica Vais, and I'm an educator with IdHAIR North America. Today, I'd like to share with you some product knowledge. Today's product spotlight is on IdHAIR Moulding Paste. The paste that gives you not only structure and hold, but also a matte look. IdHAIR Moulding Paste contains a UV filter and moisturizing ingredients and keratin to protect the hair from damage. To loosen up this paste, which as you can see, the consistency is pretty thick. So to loosen up this paste, I always suggest that you can use either the serum cream, which will give it a nice creamy consistency, but also a matte look and some really nice hold. This should be used on damp hair with curls, or can be used on damp hair prior to dry styling or blow drying. This can also be used in short hairstyles to piece out but still have a nice matte look. And as you can see, the serum cream really adds some extra shine as well. When applying this on damp hair, I would suggest going from mid-strand to ends and working our way up as we right before we blow dry. Also too, I would suggest finishing that look if you want it to stay shiny with the IdHAIR Elements exclusive finish serum as well. We hope you enjoyed our video today. And if you did, subscribe to our YouTube channel at IdHAIR North America on Instagram or Facebook. And don't forget to hit like below and share with your friends.